Breaking news bafethu Bafana Bafana iqualifyile for i-World Cup for the first time in 24 years bafethu. Last time ba-qualify straight it was 2002 cabanga history lento le because 2010 FIFA World Cup ngeke siyibale because babe ama-host. Ayi kunini bezama ukuqualifya they keep falling short up until kufika uHugo Bros esimcriticize kakhulu ngoba uvocal but ama-results uyawadeliver bafethu sothini. Obviously-ke Nigeria did us a favor ngokuwina laphana kwelakubo and abantu bashilo bathi there's no way iBenin ishaya iNigeria yazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani last time. So let's go to imatch yaBafana Bafana. I mean they completely dominated the game from the first minute. They dominated. They could have easily scored. I think angazi ngabe bashaya how many goals. Apolisi ugejile ka-2 clear chances umHawu I mean bamnikile nje washaya straight ku-goalkeeper walivimba ngeenyawo another chance. Sipho Mbuli naye got an opportunity. So la ngabe sikhuluma ngo-7 bafethu kahle kahle Bafana Bafana they really created opportunities, but I mean the plan was simple: score 2 goals or more and then go through to the World Cup, and they did just that. Obviously ke siyazi ukuthi ama-player wakuphi we-Orlando Pirates awu-3 yiwashaya amagoli bafethu Mbatha Apolisi, and then they really helped ilokhu njani bafethu i-national team yabo. So I mean it shows ukuthi I mean with the Bravano persona and something that they are building laphana kuma domestic league eSouth Africa kuyabonakala ukuthi they are playing ngama-players locally, but guess what, they're able to get ama-results. I mean look at the level. This just sells the South African football to the world ukuthi bhekani khona ama-teams powerfully aserious kakhulu, khona ama-players adlala locally. I mean look at u-Apolis bafethu lo muntu odeserve ukudlala e-Europe. uSipho Mbuli yena ngizothini-ke ngaye bafethu, siyazi ukuthi ube nama-complications wakhe amaningi bafethu ama-complications, but guess what, Orlando Pirates imnikile opportunity and naye wakwazi ukuyithatha ngezandla zowu-2 lo opportunity leyo wayisebenzisa. Bheka manje ukuthi ukuphi. I mean is going to i-AFCON and then possibly next year bazomselect again for i-FIFA World Cup. Leya position leyo idlala kahle kakhulu. I-defense okay, ezinye izinto ekumele sizibale ezi-important, as much as we wanna say congratulations to Bafana Bafana, kunama-aspect of igame yabo kumele ba-improve bafowethu. If like i-defense there was an element of danger hhayi enkulu, but i-defense yaBafana Bafana they are left open isikhathi esiningi, and-ke ngifuna ugoalkeeper wethu bafowethu kumele abe ne-challenge yabo. Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi uRonwen Williams bafethu abe ne-challenge, u-too relaxed. They almost gave okay corner la, okay it was a corner. It was a corner and then ibhola uyaphuma but akafiki ebholeni like enough ukuthi uRevlo wajudge, and then i-defense yethu khona laba abenze khona iphutha like enough uRonwen Williams okwazile ukuphuma. So sometimes they have to learn from amanye ama-team. Ungaforced ukudlala from the back, cleara ibhola liphume ibhola, like uyalida, there's nothing lento lokuloko idlalwe emuva, clear ibhola and regroup kuphela. Bona bafoster uRonwen Williams abafunda. I mean ku-FIFA Club World Cup wahlaza iMamelodi Sundowns. At times when you're leader yes confidence ikhona, there's no use to play from the back, clear ibhola ni-regroup kuphela. So izinto kumele azifunde naye, azi ukuthi ngithi too relax because akekho umuntu omchallenjayo. So makungaba khona abanye abantu lesi abamchallenjayo uzokwazi ukudlala serious naye ukumisela, but kune-element of ukuthi uyazi vele ukuthi uyohlezi aqala wonke ama-match. But yeah, congratulations to you Bafana Bafana man. Njengoba bengishilo history, I mean khona amanye ama-player out ngendaba zama-injuries maningi kakhulu, kusho ukuthi ama-player they have to go to the drawing board bafethu, badlale kahle kakhulu kuma-season wabo kuma-domestic leagues, and then badlale kahle laba bazo-select for i-AFCON leya ngoDisemba, badlale kahle ku-AFCON because those performances eze-AFCON yizo esizobavulela isikhala laphana ku-World Cup. So i-player sorry excuse ku-World Cup yeah, I mean this is a good thing yabona. I mean it's a good thing ukuthi South Africa qualify for World Cup after isikhathi esingaka. Baningi abantu abazo-travela baye America, baningi abafana bebhola bazoba inspired ukuthi bayibonile iSouth Africa qualify for i-FIFA World Cup. So I mean it's something they can model the game around yona ukuthi babheke i-national team ukuthi yenza kahle. Bheka ama-under 17 akuye ku-World Cup, ama-under 20 aye ku-World Cup, manje Bafana Bafana iye ku-World Cup. okuvezayo noma okuchazayo straight ukuthi ibhola lase-South Africa liya-improve kancane kancane. So kuwama-players inside the field of play okumele akwazi ukumisela. I mean, asikhulume ngama-individual performances bafethu. uKhuliso Mudau, this guy is the best ever, man. Mina is the best right back I've seen. Akekho for lo muntu lo engike ngambukela. Okay, he does no wrong isikhathi esiningi, no wrong at all. I mean, super talented, skillfully, well, not ifle le obviously ama-attackers, but is able to start laphana emuva. But khona i-moment before ngiya kuma-play, bafana i-defense yakhona, but it's not even defense, element of sometimes bathatha izinto kancane. I-Rwanda ishaye ipali laphana, out of the blue, bashaya laphana epalini. uRonwen Williams was out of position from bekude bafethu. Ucabanga they were able to ukuthi bashaye ipali. So yizo izinto mhlampe esingabheka ukuthi banga-improve laphana going forward overall. So Khuliso Mudau, what a great performance from him. I-left back Bafana uModiba going forward contribute kakhulu, but in terms of ukumark, I'm still not convinced ngoModiba bafethu. It's sad ukuthi uBasadeni akekho and akadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns, because that guy is the best left back in South Africa. But-ke, I mean, indoda kuthiwa iphila ngey'nqumo zayo, akadlali laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, is completely out of iBafana squad. And lo mjidi superstar, what a player uBasadeni. But unfortunately-ke ngeke abe khona laphana kuBafana ngoba if i-situation yakhe ayichange laphana, ushayiswa ibhench umuntu ongadlali naye left back. Phela uModiba akusiyi left back kahle kahle, but-ke kuMamelodi Sundowns bamconvert bamenza i-left back, nakuBafana sekadlala i-left back, but ama-strength wakhe akusukumaka overall. So good performance for Khuliso Mudau. But yeah, uModiba naye he created those beautiful moments going forward. I-contribution yakhe, I mean, makuyiwa phambili umuntu ngempela ombonayo ukuthi okay, ubalulekile kakhulu in terms of like create ama-opportunities. Sibonile uNkotha, I mean, at times uNkotha i-decision making yakhe inokuba poor. Mangithi i-decision making yakhe inokuba poor, nginokumbheka uNkotha khona la vele ascore ibhola. Okay, ithi singafocus ngama-negatives bafethu. The boys won. Congratulations. They have to continue. I mean, obviously umhlaba akufani bayandiza baye America. This is the big thing for South Africa. I don't think abanye abantu bayazi ukuthi lento le inkulu kangakanani. But ngibonile later on bafaka i-striker selokhunjana se-Stellenbosch uCupido bafethu. Naye ukhona kuBafana. It was questionable obviously-ke i-inclusion ya Makgopa noCupido. And I said this thing ukuthi they're not gonna get ama-goals like influence enkulu kuMakgopa. They're not gonna get something from uCupido. Mawubheka overall ama-performances wakhe, yes, uMakgopa ukwazile ukuheada ibhola leli ukhipha i-Kaizer Chiefs angakwazanga ukudila nalo. Could have easily saved that ball, but unfortunately ulipaired back to the net. So but-ke congratulations to him, congratulations to bonke abafana bafethu, baqhubeke badlale kahle. E-America kuyayiwa bafethu, after ukuthathela i-3 points, after iy'ndaba zama-yellow card, but-ke the coolest thing ukuthi ekugcineni, I mean, I've listened to Ronwen Williams mabeloke bakhuluma bafethu bathi babhilivela bona kuma-miracle ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka. Guess what? Imlingo yabo yenzekile-ke, iNigeria vele yashaya amagoli kwela kubo laphana, zange idlale, yakwazi ukusiza ilokhunjana iBafana. I mean, yeah, what a day, what an eventful day of football overall. Ngishilo ngathi khona bazokhala, bayakhala abeBenin bebasho ukuthi bayaqualify, bayakhala la bakhona. Ibhola libuhlungu bafethu, yabona the beauty of football, man, ayilibuhlungu ibhola, alikho mnandi. Yabona mawubheka ibhola overall uyabona ukuthi ingakho umjida lo uba no-coach laphana bekasho ukuthi football can kill you, a real death, and vele ibhola lizokulimaza bafethu. Highly izinto kwenzakala izinto ongazi-expect-anga, lezo expect-ile azenzeki. I mean, it was just obvious ukuthi iBafana izo-qualify for i-FIFA World Cup, but guess what, zange kube obvious. Izinto zivele za-change laphana mabathathela i-3 points, badlala neZimbabwe, bahluleka ukuconvert ama-opportunities. Namhlanje bahlulekile ukuconvert ama-opportunities amaningi bafethu abawatholile laphana, maningi ama-opportunity. they have to learn on that, but they have to get better and greater. And there was another moment, yabona policy uyi-creator uyakwazi ukwasha amagoli khona iphasa lishayela ukhulisa umuda walibamba ngesandla. So yeah, they have to do well, they have to get better kuma-situations amancane, small details bazokwenza kangcono. But congratulations to Amajid, danko bafowethu, going to the FIFA World Cup.